Hey everybody, let's talk. We all know the market's currently crashing. We had talked about the breakdown a couple days ago. We've seen the breakdowns on Ethereum, Bitcoin, you name it. It's been breaking down and breaking down below supports. This is the time for, if you guys like to short, this is the time for them to shine. If you guys are looking for buying opportunities, you're most likely going to be doing it for dollar cost average opportunities for down the road. On the other hand, if you guys have used my cluster method, you guys will have opportunities to buy, but it'll be very, very risky. So probably no leverage for most of you guys out there. If you guys don't know what the cluster method is, I'll put a link down in the description, okay, for you guys and in the comments. However, guys, there seems to be a lot of fear about what's going on with exchanges. So if you guys want to follow, a lot of people's leads on Twitter, my lead, whatever you guys want to call it, I would say the majority of you guys make sure your funds are on a good exchange. And if you don't think your funds are on a good exchange, move them over to a hard wallet. A hard wallet might cost somewhere around $100, but it will fare, you know your crypto assets are safe, even if the value of those assets are going down. Okay. Now, going forward, be very, very patient. Don't really buy into the hysteria right now. If you guys go on social media, you guys will know that there is just a lot of FUD, a lot of people freaking out, and we were prepared for this. We had talked about the breakdowns, we talked about the support levels, we talked about how last night we broke down to a new low and that support level was gone. It's gonna be okay, everybody. Just relax. We haven't had something like this happen in the last few months, and now I know there weren't many people calling for new lows happening. Luckily, I was one of those few. But even me, even though I knew we were going to eventually come back down, you know, I'm not going to open myself up to extra risk if I don't have to. Okay. So I don't think you guys need to open yourself up to extra risk if you don't want to. So if you guys don't want to day trade, or you're afraid that you might lose money while day trading, or you guys aren't, if the data says you aren't good at day trading, you're not consistent at it, be careful. Don't open yourself up to much risk if you don't have to. Okay. If you guys took the trading results or the trading strategies that I've given you and started shorting, you guys are up quite a bit. But if you guys didn't, there's no reason to panic and try to jump in late. Observe, learn, and you can use this information to become a much better trader. Okay. I'll see you guys later on tonight at the live. But relax, everybody. This isn't a time to full on panic, even though I know tons of people are. We've been through this before. It's okay. Watch out for your personal exchanges, everybody. Make sure you can trust your exchange, because if they're showing warning signs, even right now, you should probably move that money off somewhere else just to protect yourself, okay? Just to protect yourself. Binance seems to be the safe haven right now, but you guys can always go over to Robinhood or Webull. There are other places you can put your money if you guys are afraid that some of the other exchanges like crypto.com, or Coinbase, they're having issues. You can move your money somewhere else if you want to. Thanks, everybody, and have a great rest of your day.